Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sheila if you're new here, and if you're coming back, thank you so much for clicking into this video. I know nakwambia your girl has been lost. Hey, everything has been all over the place and everything, but I'm here. The most important thing is I'm back and I'm here with you, and today with a very good video about hair. It's a hair tutorial and it's about this hair that I have right now. It's a low bun hair tutorial. Yes, that's what it is. And and how to accessorize. Have you seen my accessories? Yes, so this is what you're going to do today. And if this is something you really want to learn to do for yourself, then keep watching. Well, this is my freshly washed hair. I'm just from washing it, and we're going to start making it. And I'm adding a bit of water because I felt like it had dried down a bit, and that is water in that bottle. It's nothing much, I just improvised. And then since my hair is a bit thick and short, medium, then we're going to work in sections so that you're able to slick it down properly. And you know, it's 4C at the same time, so it's no joke. So I'm going to start by putting this Micolor leave-in treatment, so that actually leave-in conditioner, sorry, so that I'm able to manage my hair properly by combing it out. Then I'm going to go in with oil, olive oil in this case, and then just massaging it into that section. And then I'm going to add Eco Styler gel so that you're able to slick it down, because that's the look we're going for today. Then I'm going to go in with this, I don't know, I hear people calling it denim brush. So then I'm going to tie each section down as I finish, and then repeat the process until we finish the hair section by section, so that it can slick down properly. Keep watching to see how the end of it. So I decided to go with for a side parting, but when you're doing a low bun, you can decide to either do a middle parting, a side parting, or no parting at all, and just push back your hair, but just repeat the process as I've been showing you. So I'm trying to get the right parting there. And also something else you need to take note of is you need to work your hair in small section, especially if you have short, medium 4C hair, or shorter than mine, or even longer hair but very thick. And if you want a very sleek low bun or high bun, depending on what you're going for, you always need to remember that you need to work in smaller sections. Just take your time and work in sections to get a very beautiful outcome. Today I'm going to show you how to accessorize your hair, and I got this pack from Du Bois Road for just 100 shillings with all those pins, imagine, like those hair clips. And I'm just going to show you how to accessorize your hair. If you've never done it before, you can get your pack as well and just sort yourself out, you know. And I'm just putting them one by one. There's different designs, and I'm just trying to arrange and see what goes where and how. So let's keep watching, see how this turns out. So that's how it looks, and then we're going to tie down the hair with a satin scarf, and then I'm going to do my makeup, and then you're going to come back and see. I'm back. I went and did my makeup. This look is on my IGTV on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me, I'm at Sheila Kerubo. I'll leave it here. Go follow me, watch and learn if you love it. And so we want to finish up our hair tutorial, and yes, our hair has dried down. So after you put your gel, put your kitamba so that your gel lays down. So now we are coming back with our hair extension. So this is what we are going to use today. This is it's a bun. I got it from Du Bois. Du Bois. You people know these things. So I got it for 200 shillings. So this is a very affordable look. Like I told you, the hairpins are 100 bob. This one is 200. Hey, a girl got you. You ask and it shall be done. I just looked these things for you. So we are going to comb it out like this. So this is how it looks. And then check it. The sledge. Are you people ready? Okay, I think you are. So we're just going to put it on. They'll pull these strings. So this is the final look, guys. This is the final look. I really love it. I love how it turned out. This is the final look. I really love how it turned out. See my accessories. And let me show you the back side. So that has been it from me. Thank you so much if you watched it till this point. If you liked it, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know if you want to let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.